Hi there, this is Juan with LGG Media, and in today's episode I'm going to cover the Asana Slack integration that allows you to create tasks and assign them to team members and within projects inside of Asana, and also get notified whenever a task is completed in Asana. You get notified inside of Slack. So to set it up, typically if you're an administrator, head over to Apps, browse for the app, select Asana, follow instructions, push everything through. Once that's ready to go, you will see Asana here, and make sure you come in here, you learn the commands. Very straightforward. The command here is Asana. Search for the keyword Asana, and then you can put the keyword create, and this is going to trigger the project to start. So you can do this in any conversational window or channel. So as you're talking to somebody, you can create a task and assign it to somebody. So for example, task name, demo 1. I'm the assignee. I'm going to assign this to myself under, or we're going to use CRM project. Due date is today. And description goes here in detail. Test. You can put like 1, item 2, item 3, thanks. When you click create, it's going to go ahead and create that task for you. You can share it to the channel that you're in. So if you're inside of a channel, you can push it for everybody to see in it. Simultaneously, if you are to go inside of Asana, you will be able to now see the task in here. So if you can see that this thing was created, task name demo, there we go. Name, person that's assigned to it, boom, boom, done. When the task is completed, you can get notified as well inside of Slack. So to do that, you can type Asana, click on enter. It's going to ask you what you want to do. You can do create task, manage link projects. So in my case, if I want to see the different projects, I can type the project, select it, and then change the settings as to when I want to get notified. And then personal settings, you can request, you can change notifications, display previews, default domain. This is the one that's assigned to your Slack channel. And yeah, you can deauthorize the account if need to. That is everything. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe to the channel, like this if you want to see similar content. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to assist. Thank you.